I feel like that's the best I've ever rode side hits. Woo! I like to just say spinning with the selfie stick is the weirdest thing you can do on a snowboard. I killed my legs.
They all get to the bottom.
He has a point. What up, Team Buckhouse? We're at Breck. We're gonna have a sick day. But before we do, we gotta get our snowboards ready. We got our boy Aaron McKenzie, professional face puncher here. Aaron's been in a ton of my videos. We met him the first year we started making YouTube videos through the YouTube channel, and he's only got sicker at punching people in the face. So check out his Instagram, it's in the description. You just won a headlining LFA event. So sick. All right, so he got a brand new snowboard. He got the Nitro, was it Blacklight? And we're gonna kind of talk about a new snowboard real quick, because you should always wax your brand new snowboards. I highly recommend doing that, and you have to pull the stickers off. Don't go try and go snowboarding. Don't be that guy going snowboarding with the stickers still on the base of your snowboard. So we're gonna peel that sticker off, we're gonna throw some wax on these snowboards, and then we're gonna kill it. Another good sign too that you should wax your boards is when you start to get kind of white, or like it's not the normal color that the base used to be. I mean, your snowboard's thirsty, full of wax. We are using pearl wax, by the way. There is a yellow wax that I don't have in my car that you guys should snag for this late season. If you need snowboard wax, go to pearlwax.com, use code BUCK20. You'll save 20% off your order. It is also an affiliate link, so I get supported by you guys supporting them. It's a female-owned small business, so support Pearl Wax. Get yourself some wax, code BUCK20 off your whole order. Like, you can get a wax kit, whatever. All right, here we go. I know you guys are wondering, should you wax in the car, at the parking lot, at the ski resort? Probably not. But we don't got a lot of time, so we do what we gotta do. All right, boards are done, let's get this. I think we could have asked for a nicer day. There's like almost no wind here. It might be just because we're on the chairlift. On the run, not a windy day at Breck. Bluebird, come on! This is like one of the best days you get at Breck, if only the park was open. But we have some sick side hits that we've been hitting, and overall it's sick. I was wrong in my last video when I was kind of giving an update of what Breck's looked like. Imperial is open, and it looks like the hike to the top of Imperial is open. To the top? To the top? Maybe not. Maybe tomorrow.
I don't think it was last week, was it?
It wasn't. No. Yeah, but it's all open now. You literally see someone walking to the tippy top.
Oh yeah.
Oh man, this is Chris, by the way, guys. And he said he didn't mind picking up the camera for a couple hits, so maybe we'll do that this run.
Absolutely.
So you guys don't have to suffer through selfie mode all day.
I'm used to filming for YouTube. I have a channel too.
Yeah, what's your channel?
This Week's Adventure.
This Week's Adventure, boom. What's this week's adventure?
This week's snowboarding.
Let's go.
The door is open.
guys, I'm feeling so good. Chris took the camera from me and I just felt like I could just throw down on those jumps. That's insane to, I don't know, personally for me, I feel like to ride side hits like that is nuts. I feel like that's the best I've ever rode side hits. Woo. But you know what riding side hits that smooth makes me think of? Today, sticker shout out. We got Ski Bum Barnes with the Ski Evolution sticker on the helmet in the blue. Looking so sick, guys. If you didn't know, we have a ski version of the Evolution sticker. As well as we got I'm Jeff Hot Seller with the electric sticker on the nose of the board. Also looking super sick, man. Guys, thank you for snagging Evolution stickers. If you want an Evolution sticker, they're all linked in the description, as well as my hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, any of the merch, guys. If you do snag it, it helps support the channel, especially in the late season when only the core snowboard community are still watching and everything and supporting the dream. Views, sales, everything drops down. So everyone that's still snagging merch, thank you so much for the support. I do this through the whole summer, and I do this for a living. So anytime you guys support the channel, even just watching the videos is a ton. So thank you so much. But also, if you snag the merch, tag me on my Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. And then if you're not following my Instagram, you're missing out. You would know I'm ripping Breck, and you come meet up with me like Chris did. And if you're following my Instagram, so follow the Instagram for bonus extra content, but also you'll know where I'm snowboarding each day. Maybe you can come take some laps with me, which would be super fun. Oh man, that was a mouthful, but I'm hyped, dude. Chris is saving the day. Not saving the day, but like getting me hyped. Like Aaron could have filmed, but I didn't want to make him because he's like the homie, and I want him to come out here and shred. And not saying Chris is not the homie, but he offered. So
I film every day, so I'm used to having a camera.
Yeah, exactly. When you find another person that's like, yo, and he knows how to, do you see the angles this dude's getting? He's crushing it. So we're hyped. Now we're mixing it up. We have that run dialed, as you can tell. We were throwing down. But we're gonna come check out Rocky Mountain, see what we got going on over here, and we're saving to the top for tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll go to the top. Deal? Deal. Deal. Killed my legs. So much work and the more. So we came to this run, which is kind of sits in the sun from like very beginning of the day. It's slow. It's all potatoes.
I almost just killed you.
It's okay, that happens. Remember, I said in the other video, the filmer snowboarder collisions happen all the time. If they don't happen, you're not doing it right.
Right.
You're too far away. Alright guys, shout out to Chris. I'm not gonna make him continue to film today, but he said he's down to come out other days, and he filmed.
Anytime.
Let's go. So I mentioned this in the last video. If you're riding this late in the season, there's a prime time window. That's 11 to 1. After that, it starts to get super potatoey, super slow and grabby like that last run was. So still gonna be good. You can still have a ton of fun, but just know the money window, the money time, 11 to 1. To just say spinning with the selfie stick is the weirdest thing you can do on a snowboard. What a sick day. Thanks again for holding the camera.
No worries.
Thanks for being my friend. I think today was everything I wanted. Slushy jumps, fun. And then tomorrow, we're going hard. Hike to the tip top of Imperial, see if we can find something super steep and gnarly to drop. That's what I want to do tomorrow. And we saved it today, because we were getting a little sick of the lower runs. Because it's limited, it's just peak 8, so you only do so much, you know what I'm saying? But we do have to get Aaron to ride the T-bar tomorrow, which is something, it's his nemesis. He's only done it once, and he said he fell. If you ever rode a T-bar, it's a little tricky. Maybe we'll make a how to ride a T-bar video. All right, we took a different whip today. It's so cool. All right, guys, so it's time to go finish moving. Get 2 more days to wrap up getting out of my old place, just to get everything to the new place. Could have done it faster, but you know, when you get some time, you kind of take your time. And I've been remodeling the studio for you guys, and Aaron's seen the studio. It's looking good. Cannot wait to do like a studio tour for you guys. And yeah, that's what's kind of been consuming a lot of my time. So I've been, and then the internet at my place went out. And by internet, I mean cell phone service, because that's all I can get at my current place, either satellite internet or cell phone service. Cell phone service is just as good as internet or satellite internet. Yeah, the cell phone tower went out, so we haven't had phone service / internet service for 7 days, which is making being a YouTuber very, very hard. But it's all working out, ebbs and flows. Life goes like this. So if I haven't been replying to your DMs or your messages, all kinds of stuff like that, it's because your boy hasn't had internet / cell phone service. With all that being said, sign up for Snowboard Camp. That's the last thing I want to plug. First week of Snowboard Camp is filled up. Sign up for week 2 of Snowboard Camp. It's gonna be a good time. Thank you so much to everyone that has signed up already. We have a crew for camp. I'm so excited. We're booking everything. Everything got approved, and camp's gonna be sick. All right, with that, team, guys, thank you so much for shredding with us today, and as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow with another sick video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody.
Woo, I'm just taking a pee.